keep seeing these so-called tool hacks, the likes of angle grinders being used for wood cutting. It's crazy. So an angle grinder, it's not a woodworking tool. It's not designed for that at all. But you see people, putting wood blades on them, making them into makeshift table saws and miter saws. You know, letting on that it's some sort of clever shortcut or hack. But it's not clever at all. And it can result in serious injuries and even death. So there was a case there a few years ago, a young fella using an angle grinder that was fitted with a wood blade. It jammed, it kicked back at him and he died. And that's the reality of not using the right tool for the job. Then you've got guards being removed. Sure, you don't need those yokes at all. Well, the reality is you do. And they're there for a reason, and that's to protect you. And without one, a little slip and you could lose your fingers or worse. And it'll happen so quickly, you won't have time to react at all. And I've seen others then fitting wood blades on backwards, making a bad situation even worse. When that's done, instead of cutting, the blade it grabs into the timber, seriously increasing kickback and making the grinder almost impossible to control. It's madness, but people watch these things, think that's a great idea, and sure, I'll try that. So if you need to do woodwork, you need to use the right tool for the job. A proper saw that's designed for wood, with the correct blade and guards in place. No shortcut out there is worth you gambling with your hands or gambling with your life, because that's the reality of it. So, before you think about copying what you see online, think first and not after. Your safety is the most important thing. Don't gamble with it. It's not worth it at all. And if you found this useful, please like, share and tag. Thank you as always for your time.